All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you how to extrude and bevel this flat 2D logo I have here. And to get started here, though, by the way, this is live type, so you can do this to type. It doesn't have to be an outlined object. But we're going to start here. We're going to go to Effect, 3D Materials, and Extrude and Bevel. Now, it right away just does like its default move, and it just angles it slightly. So you can see here we have extrude. Sometimes, like I said, this is text. You might want to. Sometimes you need to do each thing individually. See, if I grab both, I lose my depth and twist here. So just grab one, and you can mess with the depth. This is going to make it thicker, right? And then you can do that to the same thing here. Oh no, sorry, that's twist. I'll get to that, but yeah, so you can make them thicker and thinner here. With depth. Twist is completely different. It's going to twist what you saw, so you could do that. You can do a minor twist here, and you can go back and select this and do the same thing. If that's what you're going for, it all depends on what you're doing. So I'm just going to make this 20. I'm going to make this twist 0, and let's put this back to 20. Yeah, see? Oh, okay. We can go heavier on that. Let's go 50. So, you see what I'm doing here, though. You can type them in. You can just, you can keep them numeric so they're the same. You don't have to always, just use these sliders. And then materials, that's just a bunch of different materials. They take a while to render. You can play with that. Lighting is really cool. This moves the actual light source. So you got to grab this guy, and then you can move it around and see how it's changing where the shadow is. Like, whoa, there we go. So, if you want your light to come from the other direction, this is where you do that. So, yeah, you can see the upper, this border here is changing. And there's other things here as well. When you get back to here, revolve. Like, that's not going to work for this, but I'll show you quickly what that does. I'm going to make a circle here. And if you just click on revolve, it's going to turn it into like a donut. So it's like goes in a 360. So there's that. So I mean, this is really the basics of it, and you can get into this. You can grab your appearance window here, like this, and then you see that you're, if I click on one of these, I have 3D materials. If you want to get rid of it, just select this and just click the delete, and then you're back to where you were. So you can really go crazy and play with this all you want, because you can just go here and do the appearance and get rid of it, or you can just use undo. So don't be afraid. That's the one thing. Just open a file, go crazy on it, undo it, delete it from here, redo it, and just have fun with it. But that's the basics of where you get started in this. So hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.